You are welcome on Trivot Hub. In this video, I'm gonna show you how you can master your Linux by using your Windows operating system. So you can use Windows operating system for mastering Linux by using CMD. Now, I'm gonna show you how you can create folder. Normally, when you're gonna create folder in Windows operating system, you open your file explorer and click on where you need to create a folder, or click on your local disk and right click, create a folder like this. This is the very simple option, but for us, our purpose is mastering CMD or mastering Linux operating systems. So if you are master in CMD, it will be easy to use these Linux operating systems. By now, we're gonna open CMD. You type CMD there and run it as administrator. After that, you see now we are in local disk C. We have to switch to local disk E. What you will do, you will type a label of your local disk. It's local disk E, like that, and enter. By now we are in local disk E. Because we are going to create a folder here, when it's inside of these folders, it's another option, but it's somehow the same like this. But for us, we are going to create a folder which is called test. You type command which is called make directory. It means we're gonna make directory of some files or of keeping some files. You type like this, make directory. There we add the name of your folder. Our folder is test like that. Now we have test folder here. So if you want to go inside of your folder and create something inside of your folder, you will type cd test like this. Now we are inside of test. What you will do, you will type echo like this. You can use this echo. There is more options you can use for creating file. You can use type like this. When you need to create an empty file, you will use type null like that, and there you will add the file name. For example, it's file.txt. Now inside of this folder, I'm sure that we have a file which is called file.txt, but it's empty. If you open, we have it inside of here. So now we are going to see how you can add the text inside of your file. By now, I'm gonna show you how you can add text inside of your file. You will type echo. Let me type welcome and do like this. Add there your file name, file.txt. When you open your file, the welcome is there. By now, if you want to add the text there, you can type echo like this and type this is my first file, like that, and you put these two signs for adding the text in your file. If you add one, the current one will be removed and you will have the second one only. But if you add two, you say that we need to have two lines, or you are going to add something in file, not replacing something which is currently in file. After that, you will add your file name, file.txt. If you open, we have both texts. Let me try to show you this. For example, if we try to type the same, for example, goodbye, and do like this, file.txt. And if you open your file, you will see everything will disappear, and this goodbye will be there without anything else, because we use that one. But if we use this one and this one again, we have all things from our file. Because if you use these two signs, it means that you are adding a text from the exist one, you know? So you can even remove them. It will be the next session. The next session, I will show you how you can create a different text formats from CMD, where you can create PowerPoint, Python file, and other files.